o'clock today. You have to know a great day, glorious day. Stop by the table. Everything is free here, folks. Free books, free Bibles. You can take whatever you want. We everybody love you. We love New York City. Today in Union Square in New York City. The glorious good news of the gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ today. And you may say today, preacher, what is the good news? The Bible says that the gospel is the power of God unto salvation to those who believe in the Lord Jesus Christ. Today you can know Christ. So stop by the table here. Three books of Bible.
that
It doesn't have a picture over it. Okay, so I'm looking at
E aí, porque a gente tá aqui na...
Go get it.
You think I was supposed to... For that card. Okay. Are we coming back? Okay.
Dad.
Jättebra. Ja, popcorn.